What up, guys? There's been lots of bull run talk in the industry lately. Bull run this, bull run that, and making a lot of newbies a bit confused and don't even know what the bull run is. And apart from that, some people don't even know how to prepare for this bull run. They are so confused, don't know the type of cryptocurrency they should buy and hold on for the bull run to come. Anyway, I got your back because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 cryptocurrencies that are below $1 and can probably be giving you 100x in the coming bull run. So guys, if you are interested in everything I just mentioned right here, you have to stick to this video till the end and pay attention to every single details I'll be dropping till the end. Alright guys, so what is bull run in crypto? Now, bull run is a period of time in financial markets when the price of assets rises continuously, meaning demand outweighs supply. Now, some people believe you need to have millions or thousands of dollars before you can make money in the crypto space. Well, that is wrong. What it requires for you to make money here is for you to buy the right coin at the right time and also selling at the right time. So quickly, let's dive into the list of the 6 cryptocurrencies that you can get below $1 and could probably give you 100x in the coming bull run. Number 1 on my list is Cardano. Cardano, also known as ADA, and it is currently trading at the rate of 0.59 cents at the time of this video, and its total market cap is $21 billion. So there is still enough space and room for growth in this project. And on the coin market cap, Cardano is number 8 on the list. And from the last bull run, Cardano's price was $3.10. So there's possibility that it is going to go higher than that in this coming bull run. So Cardano is a coin you shouldn't miss. And apart from that, instead of just buying and holding it in your wallet, you can equally buy it and stake it in order for you to keep earning extra dividends and extra token on your staked coin. Now, number 2 on my list is the Ripple SRP. SRP is currently trading at 0.66 cents and has the market cap of $35.65 billion. It's currently sitting at number 5 position on the coin market, and it has all-time high of $3.84. So guys, there's so much potentials with SRP, and we should be expecting XRP to do well in this coming bull run because there are lots of potential. And number 3 on my list is Sandbox. Now, Sandbox is currently trading at 0.55 cents and has a market cap of $1.17 billion. Sandbox is a gaming token, it's a gaming coin and has lots of potential. You can also buy instead of holding. You can just stake it. You can stake sand and keep claiming rewards regularly. It also has all-time high price of $7.58 in the previous bull run. So hopefully we should be expecting it to go higher in this bull run. So Sandbox has lots of potential. I believe this coin will be doing good and well in the coming bull run. Now, number 4 on my list is the Doge coin. Now, Doge coin has a total market cap of $14 billion, $14.32 billion, and currently trading at the rate of 0.10 cents. And its all-time high has been 0.74 cents. And I believe in this coming bull run, Dogecoin is going to do better than the last bull run. Now, apart from the fact that Elon Musk has adopted Dogecoin as a method of payment for his Tesla, I think he's going to include it into X, that's Twitter, the new Twitter social media, which is now called X. I believe he's going to include Dogecoin as a method of payment on X also. Already you can see it on his own profile. You can see it clearly on his profile. He included Doge logo on his profile. So I believe Dogecoin is going to be a very good coin in the coming bull run, and we should take maximum advantage of it right now. Now, the remaining 2 coins I'm going to be mentioning are 2 new coins. They were launched this year and people end up calling them scam or rug pull, just because of after they launch they drop drastically in price. So a lot of people call them scam or a rug pull. Now rug pull is when they take out liquidity from a particular token, but as for me, I see it as a great opportunity. While others are seeing it as a scam or a rug pull, I still see a great and a huge opportunity in these two coins, because the price at which it has dropped to right now compared to their all-time high when they were launched, it's so much different. The gap is too much. So guys, the first one I'm going to be talking about is called Core. Core is a coin from the Cardano project, and it's currently trading at 0.58 cents. Its all-time high, or let me say, it was launched at the price of $4, and all-time high went up to $6 and later started dropping drastically till this very day. So that is why some people call it a scam or a rug pull. But like I said, it's a great opportunity for us to accumulate more of this token, more of this coin, because I believe in the coming bull run, this coin is probably going to go higher than the $6 we saw when it was launched. And besides, it has a market cap of 100 million, meaning there's a whole lot of potential here and a big room, a very big room for growth. Possible the market cap can still increase. It is just 100 million right now, so that is so little. I believe we can go more than that in the nearest bull run season coming up. Core is also a coin you can buy and stake it, and once you stake, you can keep receiving rewards from this every single day. I believe Core has lots of potential because there are lots of utilities being created on the project. It is still a very new project, and in the nearest season, in the nearest bull run to come, I believe Core will be very great. Now, the last but not the least is the Jasmine coin. Jasmine coin was launched last year, 2022, I think around March, and its all-time high went to 3.45 cents. And currently the price has dropped drastically. That's why a lot of people still feel it's a rug pull. I believe it is an opportunity, like I said earlier on. So Jasmine coin is currently trading at 0.006162. That is even lesser than a penny. So guys, you can see the market cap is currently $300 million. So there's still enough room for growth. A lot of companies have already started adopting Jasmine, and I believe we should be seeing lots of growth in the next bull run to come. So guys, these are the coins I believe could give you 100x in the coming bull run. But first of all, this is not a financial advice, guys. Please do your own research on every coin I just mentioned here before you go ahead and start buying them. I did my own research and this is completely my own opinion. So guys, do your own research if you want to really buy them. Now, in case you don't have a huge sum of money to invest into cryptocurrency, I believe you can pick from this list because it don't require to have millions or thousands of dollars before you invest into crypto or before you can make money with crypto. So if you have enough money to go for all, you can go for all, because you never can tell. This is crypto, anything can happen. Well, all these coins I mentioned, they are all listed on the Binance exchange. Apart from Core that is listed on OKS, you can get Core on OKS, and I think I get it on Bybit. So go ahead, if you're interested, go and check them out and do the needful before it's too late. Now, in case you don't know how to use Binance to trade, like to buy coins or so, I made a video, I made a previous video on that, how you can buy coins from Binance. You can check in the description, you'll see that video, or it will be popping up on the top right corner of this video. I also made a video on how you can buy Core from the OKX. You can go ahead, check that out if you want to buy it. Now, you can do it by yourself. Go ahead and check those videos out and you are going to be satisfied and do it by yourself. So guys, if you love what I showed you in this video, if you love what I showed you in this video, please give this video a like. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share with those of your friends that you know will likewise want to be part of this opportunity. So share with them, and do not forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to my channel so that I'll keep giving you guys more value, more goodies that you always want. But before I leave, also please leave in the comment section what type of video you want me to do for you next, and I will definitely look into that, and I will be making that video for you guys, because you guys are the reason why I am here. So guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.